Hello friends, welcome to JavaEE Servlet tutorial. So this is part 2 of the sub-series. In this video we are going to see the example that we are going to create in the next video. So by this time you know the concept of servlet filters. Now let us look at the example that we are going to create. So these are all the two HTML file which we create. It will contain two text field and one submit button that will post the request to two different servlet. So these are all the two servlet. One is a select div and another one is a servlet multiplication, which performs the form processing. So this is just an example. So we can do that with the one single servlet. But to explore the servlet filter option, we are creating two servlet. One will perform the division and another one will perform the multiplication operation. So we will introduce two filters to intermit the request going to the servlet. The first filter is number check, and if you see there are two requests. Request 1 goes from servlet filter div HTML and request 2 goes from servlet filter mult.html. So both the request goes through filter number check and we have one filter which is specific for division servlet, and the filter name is filter div0. And if you see, the request 1 goes through the filter number check as well as filter div0. Request 2 goes through only filter number check. So here we want to perform any zero error, div by zero error will come in terms of division. So for a multiplication request, we want to do that filtering. If you see here, there are 6 moving parts that we need to develop in the next example. One is the servlet filter div HTML and the other moving part is the next HTML. So then we will go and develop our servlet. There are two servlet here. So we will develop those. After that, we will create the filters. So that's all. So we will create our example in this following order. First we will create two HTML, then we will create our servlets. After that we will see how to create the filters. Then we will run the example in Eclipse and Wildfly, and we will see how it works. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.